Of what, Morty? What should we watch next? I'm Rick. Help me with Morty. Morty, what if be able to accident when we having a bunch of pirates running around a pancreas world? Morty. What, Morty? Real straightforward and fun. Alright. Maybe. Yeah, I can see that. But do you think you'll still be able to help me? I've got... If it's good enough. You can have this back.
Bro.
Different. You gotta go summer. Oh, yeah, baby. Because I'm having a party, bitch. We're cool now. I've got like 10 Ricks to call right now. Except like this once. You see, I try to shelter you from certain realities, Morty. What? What?
Thank you.
Oh, I like that.